Yasami United, Yabian, when you want some. None of my when you son. They want to put the first. Now put the first. There you be Uncle Yemen.
It's S.K. and I welcome you once again to S.K.M Media 7. You know, it's time Africa is waking up. Africans are now, their eyes are now opening. Bob Marley said something in one of his songs which I love so much. The title is Buffalo Soldier. Says if you know your history, you know what you are, you know where you are coming from. And it seems most of we the Africans, especially we are living over here, those things don't matter to us. But our brothers and sisters, the diasporans, it matters to them because over 400 years they were taken from here to where they are, and they built a system for them. Because most of us who live in Africa, especially Ghana here, we think our brothers over there are making money. Yes, indeed, they are making money, but it's like a circle. So the money comes to you, the money goes back to the government. I was watching one video whereby there's one guy who was saying you make all the money all right, and you see people driving nice car, having cars, houses, and all that. All those cars and houses are on credit. But in Africa here, when you see somebody driving a Porsche car, expensive car, they bought it themselves. They don't own anybody. You see people living in their beautiful houses. They bought the house or they built it themselves. But in a state, it doesn't happen like that. So that is why we are calling on all our brothers, the diasporans, to return home with the knowledge they have to come and help us build the continent. Now, a Jamaican dancehall Popcaan came to Ghana. That was weeks ago, and when he came to Ghana, he was crowned as a. We have the term we use. We call it in Koswahini. I don't know whether he is the Koswahini or a chief or a king in Ghana here, and it was so beautiful to see something like this. If our brothers and sisters, the Caribbeans, most of the Caribbeans see this, it will also encourage them to come back home to come and do something for themselves. And others are saying that is it because he's from Caribbean, that's why they make him a king or a chief over here. But bear in mind, our legend Asamoah Gyan is also a king. Chatamechi or Michi is also a queen in Ebri. You understand? So we are calling on all our brothers and sisters to also come home, come and do something for themselves. You understand? So guys, in case you are new here and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and watch the full.
And Ukui, Yasami United, Yabian, when you want some. None of my when you son. They want to put the first. Now put the first. There you be Uncle Yemen.
Doing here is to let you understand and to let you know that you come from a royal background and you are a king. So Nana, let's do what we have to do now to finalize your instrument.